We wanted to make the ultimate treat for very sensitive, dry and reactive skin. And it's our nurturing face cream, formulated using only the cleanest botanical ingredients. Moisturizing is such an important step at the end of your routine. It deeply hydrates and improves your moisture cushion. Our nurturing face cream moisturizer is made with hemp hydrolate, which is the hemp plant juice and an antioxidant powerhouse. We then take cold-pressed hemp seed oil and break it down into tiny droplets wrapped in hemp hydrolate. These tiny drops of hemp seed oil are able to work under the skin at the cellular level, so you get all the benefits of the essential fatty acids from hemp seed oil that your skin needs but can't produce on its own. The therapeutic CBD extract from hemp relieves stressed-out skin, eases visible irritation, and rebalances the natural process of oil and moisture production for a supple, fresh complexion. The Damascus rose has amazing rejuvenating and restorative properties and provides calming scent experience. It's a lovely light formula, so it absorbs instantly, giving you that perfect, comfortable moisture that lasts throughout the entire day. The Nurturing Face Cream Moisturizer is made with rosacea-prone skin in mind, and it's free from ingredients that can irritate reactive complexions, including dyeing alcohols, mineral oils, synthetic fragrance, or parabens. It's dermatologically tested, proven to be non-irritating. After cleansing and toning, massage 1 to 2 pumps onto face, neck, and décolletage in gentle upward strokes. We always want you to feel a sense of calm about your skin. At Hemptouch, we are really proud to be the first ever CBD and hemp skincare brand certified 100% natural by Natru, independent European certification. It's awarded exclusively to skincare products using sustainable production processes and environmentally friendly practices. Natru seal on Hemptouch products assures that raw materials are derived from nature and are free of synthetic fragrances, colors and dyes, petroleum-derived synthetics such as parabens and silicones, free from sodium lauryl sulfate, GMO ingredients, and no animal testing is allowed. At Hemptouch, we grow the hemp plants on fields right here in Slovenia, and we choose hand-harvested and organically grown ingredients whenever possible. Making the decisions isn't difficult. It's simply a matter of doing what's right. We display the Natru seal proudly for the many right decisions we have made to make the highest quality, most effective skincare products possible.